Hey guys, I have finally uploaded a new video to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. The last time on my Instagram when I posted a question about what you guys would like me to do a video on, a lot of people said photo editing. So I decided to do another acolorstory app tutorial. I did one before on changing the sky to a pink color, like a sunset to a pink color. But I decided to do another one that's a little more general, just using a generic photo. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys this little tip. Shouldn't take too long, and hopefully you'll get something out of it. Let's get started. I just opened the acolorstory app on my phone, and I'm going to go into the albums here at the bottom, choose a photo that I want. And this one here is of a mural here in Redlands, California, downtown where I live. I'm not going to crop it at this point. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. And the first thing I like to do is go into the filters. So I'm going to tap on filters. I personally like using the Candy Minimal filters. They have some really fun colors and effects in there. So you can go through and just start clicking on each one. Jelly beans, simple syrup, honey pot, until you find the one you like. Now for me personally, I like soda pop right here. I can go ahead and click to apply it. Now you can also add on more filters. You can keep doing it, or you can adjust the intensity of them. But for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the soda pop filter. I'm going to go ahead and click back. Now from here, I'm going to go to the tools icon at the bottom, and I'm going to do the adjustments now. So first, I'm going to go into the vibrance. I like to bump that up just a little bit to kind of make the colors pop a little more. I like to go into saturation. Again, bring it up just a little bit to make the colors pop. I'm going to go into the curves, and I'm going to bring them down just a little bit. So you click and just drag just a little bit. It's like a bow. So you just drag it down, adds a little more contrast to the photo, and go ahead and click to apply. Next, I'm going to go over here and kind of show you something that you can use to really make the colors go crazy. Now, this mural is already pretty colorful, but if you go into the hue shift and watch what you can do when you play with this slider. You can basically change all of these colors. I can go to the other side. I'm starting to like this a lot. See, those are really fun. I actually like it in this range right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click to apply that. And one more thing I'm going to do. I mean, you have a ton of features in here. You can really play with it and find some fun things to do. But I like going into the shadow color. And over here to your left, you have RGB, which is red, green, and blue. And each one of these is going to have an opposite. So I'm going to go ahead and click on G for green, and I'm going to move it to the left, and you can see it's really making the colors a little more saturated, a little more pop of pink. I like that, so I'm going to go ahead and click to apply. I'm not even going to crop it at this point, not for this tutorial, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys if you play around enough with the acolorstory app and some of the filters, you can really alter your photos to really make them pop full of color. And that's one of my favorite things to do. So once you're done here, you can go ahead and up to the top, click review, and either save to grid, or you can just save it. I do. I'll do it later. I think I've already rated it already anyway. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Alright, so that was it. The acolorstory app is pretty powerful, and it has a lot of features I did not cover, so it's really good for editing your photos. But anyway, I just want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up below. It helps me out. If you can subscribe to my channel, that's even better. That way you get notifications on when I upload a new one, which I plan on doing more, and not waiting so long in between. So if you have any comments, leave them in the comments below, or you can also DM me on Instagram. And follow me on Instagram @TomWinnaConnect. Again, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.